Everyone loves to travel for a hunt. It's a big adventure. We're in Africa, and there are critters everywhere. It's not like just going mule deer hunting or pronghorn hunting. But the big thing, don't keep your hunting tradition or your hunting style at home. Bring it with you. This is big country. It's got high spots and open areas. So I'm gonna hunt it just like I would if I were hunting in South Dakota, Wyoming, or Montana. We're up high here. Douglas, he's over on a cliff glassing. Lawrence is above me. We're trying to spot game, just like we would out west. And when we spot it, we're gonna go out there and put a stalk on it. So yeah, bring those tactics with you and traditions, but don't forget to listen to the locals. They live here. They might know a thing or two.